Welcome to Cars in Korea. I introduce newly released Genesis, Hyundai, and Kia cars. And today is going to be a little bit of a vlog on my Veloster N. You know, I got this car about a little more than a year ago. This is Veloster N DCT with fully loaded option, including in all the N performance parts, starting with this carbon, that, carbon mirror and stuff and so on. I am trying to get ready for track day from the OEM, which is Pirelli P0TM, specifically made for Hyundai and Veloster N with SUR4G, and that is a track focused tire. When it's heated up, it's going to give me outrageous performance compared to this OEM Pirelli P0. As you can see, I have 4 pots, 4 piston, and performance big brake along with the bigger rotor. This is the floating type 2-piece rotors with 360 millimeters. Got rid of this original brake pads, and then wow, I've used a good amount of this already, and I'll be getting that with this WinMax. They specialize in this performance and races, which relatively is far more stronger than the OEM pads. It is a direct plug and play, and it costs about $300. And just look at that, they have finished it out in gold. It's all golden, and you know, Veloster N is one of them, obviously. But then there are not that many choices when it comes to this big brake 4-pot calipers. People say that it's similar to somewhere around, you know, the Ferraro 2500, if not 3500. Probably it's sitting somewhere between those two. You know, this has a lot of the metal particles in it, so it makes that squeaky noise where the Ferraro 2500 doesn't. So that means it's the brake pads here has more steel elements in it, and it's more aggressive. And I'll show you from the other side as well, but this 4-pot is pain in the butt to work with because this whole thing is just literally a whole thing. So there is no other way for you to, you know, dig around here and then pull the pads out and whatnot. You have to take out the entire caliper. But probably, you know, Hyundai has done it on purpose. They knew that it's, you know, it's gonna be a pain in the butt to maintain, but they chose that way for a reason. So the pads are installed. Going to move over to that bay right over there to swap out the tires. SUR4G. I'll be slapping these right on my Veloster N. Well, this is not my size. Probably this is mine. 235/40/18. No, it's not. This is not. Is it that one right there? Yes, it is. 235/35/19. I'll be slapping this on Veloster N. This tire was about to go anyway. These are the tires that I took out, and just come over here. I've eaten away the shoulder so much. Is Veloster N in white color. Check this out. This is beautifully done with an over fender. Continued on the rear, a TCR inspired body kit, and this is still a work in progress. It's not yet done the spoiler yet, the splitter. Personally, I think this is one of the best over fender body kit for Veloster N out there. It's not too much the SUR4G that I just threw on. A square setup, I believe. You know, it's not a regular one. Hey, you see right here, the number is different. So this is either semi-slick tire. The number here says 250 660 with 18-inch. I just want to have these two beautiful cars on the background like that. And let's actually go inside this Veloster N and show you what the inside is like. He's got the bucket seat, is running the Bride with the Alcantara steering wheel, as well as a manual shift knob. I love this performance blue Alcantara color that he's done. right, so it was just a quick look of this beautiful wide body over fendered Veloster N stick shift. And then let me get back to the SUR4G as well as the WinMax W3 front brake pads. See how it does on the track. I'll see you at the track.